Back in the 90s, we were taking photos using old film cameras. These printed photos didn't have high resolution as digital photos today. And they have a limited lifespan due to the quality of the photo paper and ink used wasn't as good as the quality we use now. As time goes by, deterioration would set in and the photos would be faded, some scratches would also appear. Hello guys. This is HitPaw channel. Today I saw many people are joining in the My 90s Self-Would topic on Twitter. When I see these old photos, my memories just couldn't stop flowing back to me. Though the old photos are faded and can't see the faces in it due to the low resolution, they still mean a lot to the people sharing these memories. Now, the AI technology can restore these old photos and change them from low resolution to high resolution, so that we can better save the memories. Next, I will show you how to use AI tool to bring old photos to life. And as usual, like, subscribe and share if this video helps. I would really appreciate that. Now let's get started. We will use HitPaw Photo Enhancer to restore old photos. You can download the software from hitpaw.com. I have also put the link in the description. After downloading it on your PC, launch it. Then import a photo you want to enhance. On the right side of the interface are 3 AI models. You can use them to upscale, denoise and restore old photos. The description of each AI model is displayed already. We can select different effects to try and get the best result. In today's video, we are mainly focusing on restoring old photos, so I will choose face model. Click on preview and wait for the AI to do the rest. When it is completed, we can see a big difference between before and after. The face in the photo has been enhanced and become very clear. Through this, we are able to repair old and blurry photos. After restoring, the file size has been increased, that's normal. Because the pixels and the photo is clearer than before. We can import more photos and play with it. And one thing to mention is that the AI model needs a learning process. In another word, it is learning. Perhaps there will be some photos that AI could not analyze quite well. It takes time for it to keep improving and the results will be more accurate. It is a very good way to save your time restoring old photos with AI technology instead of doing it manually. Alright. This is how you can use HitPaw AI to restore old photos. If this video helps, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.